Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to enable controls function in navigation options for TalkBack in Realme 14 Pro phone and how to disable it. So first of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we need to scroll down to the accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Next at the top we need to tap the vision tab. Then we need to go to the TalkBack. And here in the top right corner we have this cog menu which we need to open. Next we need to scroll to customize menus. And here we need to tap customize TalkBack menu. Now we need to look for our navigation options, here they are, and then edit navigation options. And here we have our options which we can modify by checking or unchecking these boxes. And that's pretty much it. Goodbye.